I'm just going to listen to your breath sounds, alright? I'm just going to auscultate it today. So just take nice deep breaths in and out for me.
No problem.
Just breathe in and out. Just lift up this arm slightly for me. I'll just go around the back, have a listen to that. All sounds normal. Well done, Jack.